In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Grammarly account step by step so you can get signed up quickly and start using Grammarly's writing tools right away. Whether you want to use it for school, work, emails, or content creation, getting your account set up is fast and easy. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to grammarly.com/signup. This is the official Grammarly sign-up page, and it's where you'll begin the account creation process. Once the page loads, you'll see a few different ways to sign up, depending on what works best for you. If you want the fastest option, you can use one of the quick sign-up methods. You'll usually see options like continue with Google, continue with Apple, or continue with Facebook. If you already use one of those services, this can save time because Grammarly can connect your account instantly without you having to fill out everything manually. Just click the sign up method you prefer and follow the prompts on screen. If you'd rather create your account with a separate email address, choose the manual sign up option instead. In that case, type in your preferred email address, then create a password that is at least 8 characters long. After that, enter your name in the name field so Grammarly can personalize your account. Take a moment to make sure everything is entered correctly, especially your email address and password, since those will be important for logging in later. Once all the details are filled out, click Agree and sign up to continue. Grammarly will then create your account and process your registration. After that, you'll be automatically redirected to your new Grammarly editor dashboard at app.grammarly.com. This is your main workspace where you can start writing, checking grammar, and exploring Grammarly's features. From here, your account is ready to use, and you can begin editing documents or improving your writing right away. So that's how to create a Grammarly account in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.